Hey everybody, I hope that y'all are having an amazing day. So today we are out in the garden and I'm going to plant out some Blue Lake bush beans. So far I think I have some top crop or bush beans out already. I have I think like 2 or 3 different varieties of bush beans out already, and so this is going to be, I think, either my third or my fourth variety of bush beans, and these are the Blue Lake, like I said. So I'm going to plant out 4 tiers on this one, because my other 2 tiers that I have are already they have onions in them, and they're not ready to be pulled out yet. And so this is how you continue to rotate um, your your garden with your crops. And so let's just go ahead and get this planted out, and then we can get it watered in.